This 2023 Jayco Alante 29S is a Class A RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Jayco is 31 feet 4 inches in length and features sleep 6, refrigerator, TV, air conditioning, oven, microwave, and 72 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bunk over cab, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, outdoor kitchen, rear bedroom. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.